How to add website shortcut in Chrome browser. So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to create website shortcut on your Chrome browser. So first of all, after you open up your Chrome, now go to the website where you want to create the shortcut for it. So for me, here is website BBC Sport. So I want to create shortcut for this one, for this page. So the next thing to do, now click on this bookmark. After you click on this bookmark, so select this one, bookmark bar. So click on this done. So now here is the website. So the next thing to do now if I want to access the website in the future, I'll just click on this option. Now it will take me to the website. But if you want to add the shortcut on your desktop, so here is how to do it. Click on this option now to minimize the windows. After you minimize your windows, just click on this option now. Now make it like bigger to see it. Here is it now. So now drag the website to your desktop like this. So and from there, as you can see now here is the website. So now if I want to access the website in a future run, I'll just click on the shortcut like this. So from there it will open the website directly for me. And that's it guys on how to add website shortcut in Chrome. Hope this video helps. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. We'll meet in the next one.